question and exclamation marks in Spanish. In Spanish, questions and exclamations always have two punctuation marks, an opening mark and a closing mark. The opening mark is an inverted version of a regular one. Whenever you write a question in Spanish, you must start with an opening question mark. Then write the question and finish with the regular closing question mark. The same goes for exclamations. You start with the opening exclamation mark, you then write the exclamation, and then finish with a regular closing exclamation mark. This is the case for any type of questions or exclamations. Let's take a look at this example. In English we have, "Hello, my name is Mark. What is your name?" In Spanish it reads, "Hola, me llamo Mark. ¿Cómo te llamas?" Notice that in English we have one exclamation mark after the word hello and one question mark after the sentence, "What is your name?" But in Spanish we have an opening exclamation mark before the word hola, a closing exclamation mark after the word hola. This closes the exclamation. And for the question, we have an opening question mark right before the question, ¿Cómo te llamas? And then we have a closing question mark at the end. This shows how an exclamation and a question look in Spanish. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on question and exclamation marks in Spanish. Remember, you can rewatch any lesson video as many times as you need. The goal is to become more and more familiar with the material at your own pace. If you're having trouble remembering anything, it's perfectly okay. Go back and review sections of the lesson and keep practicing. Learning a new language is a marathon, not a sprint. We're thrilled to be on this journey with you, so keep going and keep growing, one lesson at a time. I will see you in the next lesson.